Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Charles Chocolates Dancing Dynamites had the official launch for its 14th season under the theme Madam Mean. The show had its official launch on Saturday at the Emancipation Park and gave dance lovers a preview of what to expect for the upcoming season. This year, the competition will grant the winners a whopping $2 million in cash and $1 million in prizes.
So we have choreographers this year. Hello, that's right, at studio finals, at studio levels, we're going to be having choreographers. It's crazy. And then the Jamaican winner. Whichever team wins represents Jamaica.
Title sponsor Charles Chocolates is also elated to give dancers the opportunity to showcase their talents in the Dancing Dynamite platform.
Charles Chocolates is always excited about dancing. We realize that dancing takes a lot of persons that hasn't had an opportunity. It takes them far. They wouldn't have had the chance to showcase their talents nonetheless, but Charles Chocolates has given them that opportunity, and for that we're extremely grateful.
The launch event featured performances from last season's winners, Fantastic Steppers and Shashi Expressions, as well as a Stylo G dancehall artist performing his hit track Touchdown. The 76th annual Golden Globe Awards took place last evening. The night saw some big wins, which included Bohemian Rhapsody winning the Golden Globe for Best Drama, beating out A Star Is Born and a surprisingly Black Panther. The film's star, Rami Malek, also won Best Actor. Drama comedy Green Book won 3 awards, including Best Movie, Musical or Comedy, and Glenn Close won Best Actress in a Drama. African-American actress Regina King also took home the award for Best Performance by an Actress in a Supporting Role for her appearance If Beale Street Could Talk. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.